Hover vacuum cleaner. The problem is the wheels of the vacuum cleaner is not turning well. It looks like the very high traction on the wheels. So let's try to fix it and look at the parts, what's happening there. This is a wheel installed on the plastic body. Is the axis. The problem here, the wheel's axis is not stable on the space here. That's why it's friction with the frame of the vacuum cleaner. That's why we have to take off and look at the wheel. How we take off? Here's the washer. You see the washer here? We have to take the washer and then take off the wheel. Take to the washer. Here we take the washer. Here's the washer, and very teeny thing, so we have to be very careful and take the wheel. You see the wheel and axis it's a good condition, it's working well. The thing is on the body here. This side, the body is even it's broken. I think the problem of this construction is the wheel staying on this side and support of the space where the axis is installed on this side. That's why they have to make the support on this side, and this wheel works longer. So let's try somehow make the support that will stay firmly on this body. I'm gonna use this hard wooden stake to support the axis. So we have to put here the supporter of the wooden stake. So that's why we have to make the template, so to cut it to put in this space. How we do that? Just make the form. This is our template, so we cut it on this way. Now with this figure, we have to put on the stake. You see the almost the same width. It's good. We may cut it on this way, and then on these two parts. We have to cut and then make this figure to install put on the space to support the axis. So to cut this form, we put the stake to the table and use the saw. And then install this way and then cut the form. We have two pieces as a wooden stake, so let's install here first one on this way and second one on this way, and then install the wheel. Put the washer on the axis. Okay, and the second one. Now it's looks they are firmly installed on the body. Here's a vacuum cleaner. Wheel is turning well. It's moving very easily. So now it's ready to use it on this way. So we fixed the problem.